Hello student, in this lecture we want to study again the numerical based on the rate and the rate constant k. Now consider the second problem. The rate law expression for the given reaction is rate equal to k into concentration of NOBr raised to the power 2. Here given the value of a k 1.6 molar per molar inverse second inverse and the concentration of NOBr 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 molar. And in this problem we have to calculate what is the rate of a reaction. Again the rate law expression, that is the solution to calculate here rate. From this rate law expression you can write the rate law expression, that is the rate equal to k into concentration of NOBr raised to the power 2. Simply putting the values. Here the value of k is given, that is the 1.6 molar inverse second inverse multiplied by the concentration of NOBr 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 molar raised to the power 2. Solving this 1.6 molar raised to the power minus 1 per second या फिर second inverse into 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 m raised to the power 2. So here multiplied by this, that is the 6.4 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 and molar per second. 10 raised to the power minus 6 molar per second. This is the rate for this reaction. Okay.